In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your address in TurboTax. If you've moved recently or noticed that your mailing information is outdated, it's important to update it so your tax return reflects the correct address. This helps make sure your records stay accurate and that any tax-related documents are connected to the right location. To begin, sign into your TurboTax account. Make sure you're using the correct account where your tax return is stored. Once you're logged in, open the tax return you want to work on and go to the My Info section. This area is where TurboTax keeps your basic personal details, including your mailing address. In the Personal Info section, look for your current mailing address. Once you find it, click Edit so you can make changes. This will open the address fields and allow you to update the information directly. Now enter your new street address, along with your city, state, and zip code. Take your time here and type everything carefully. Even a small error, like a missing apartment number or an incorrect zip code, can cause problems later, so it's worth double-checking each field as you go. After entering the new details, review the updated address for accuracy. Make sure the spelling is correct, the state is selected properly, and the zip code matches the new location. If you recently moved to a different state, this is especially important because state tax information may also be affected. Once everything looks correct, click Continue or Save to apply the changes. TurboTax may take you to the next screen automatically, or it may return you to your personal information summary. Either way, the goal here is to confirm that the updated address has been saved successfully. After that, continue through your return and check that the new address appears correctly on your tax forms. This final review is a good habit because it lets you confirm that the update carried through to the actual documents tied to your return. If something still looks old or incorrect, go back to My Info and verify that all address fields were updated properly. Keeping your address current in TurboTax is a simple step, but it can make a big difference when it comes to accurate tax records and smooth filing. Thanks for watching.